At 19, we have a couple of white Silverados. This one is a 19, has 18,000 miles. This is the 71 package. This one has, I don't know if I told you, 18,000 miles. They're asking $45,999. We are really low on our trucks right now. I have another one that is certified. Here is the inside. Has a heated steering wheel. They moved the trailer brake controller to right here. This one also has your heated seats. And of course, like all Silverados, underneath this cabinet here is a locking carry and conceal cabinet. This one also has the really nice Z71 WeatherTech mats. This is also a crew cab, and again, the nice WeatherTechs are all the way through the back. Another thing that's kind of nice is it's got this sliding glass window back here. Here is where your back seat can have their drinks. But another thing they added, which is kind of cool, is there's hidden compartments behind these seats. They also added, which is kind of nice, 2 cameras back here. One is your backup camera, and one is basically just on your trailer hitch. So you can actually use that and back right up if you're needing to back into a trailer or your boat. Also has the slow drop or the easy drop, and it does have a really nice spray in. So they're keyless, so you basically use it's a push button, and the keys are like this. It has remote start, and it also has where you can drop your gate off your key too. You can press your key twice and your gate will release, which is kind of nice. There is your information center. Let me know the keys in here. Anyway, I hope this video helps. I also hope it finds you guys doing really well. My number again up here, Leon, 636-638-3121. And I do have another one. It's certified, has 54,000 miles on it. But I don't have it here right just yet. I think it's gonna be coming in sometime today or tomorrow. So again, I hope to hear from you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.